Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be talking about an incident which has taken place in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan and has caught everyone's eye, and that is what is the phenomena of artisan condition and how the mythological Saraswati river has come to the picture, or how is the mythological Saraswati river related to it. Now, artisan condition is what has caught everyone's eye. Now look at this picture. What you are seeing is that this is a dry area and this might be a well or a pond or a lake, anything, but in between what you are able to see, you will say that this is a fountain. But imagine a scenario that when someone is digging the ground and suddenly this water well or the water fountain starts to take place and does not stop, and the quantity or the volume of water becomes very high. Now that is what has caught, or you can say that is what has happened in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. So let us first of all talk about the points of discussion. So first of all we will be looking at the news, then the incident which has happened, then what is the phenomena of artisan condition, then water gushing out, why, what is the reason for it, Saraswati river relation to it, and in the end prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from general studies paper 1 geography, you can say, or this can also come under miscellaneous. So the news talks about water gushes out from underground in Rajasthan village. What is artisan condition and who is responsible for it? So is the artisan condition responsible for the water coming out from underground suddenly? Before moving forward, Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida, and the offline batches in English medium for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains, the admissions are open. For any query, you can give us a call at 87501 87501. So the news is that the residents of Taranagar village in Rajasthan Jaisalmer district, they have witnessed a unique phenomena. And this unique phenomena is that the large amount of water began to gush out from the underground. Now imagine this is a land and you can say the drilling or anything like that was going on, and suddenly the water starts to come up from here and it does not stop, it keeps coming. Now this is a unique phenomena which has taken place in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, and the water stopped flowing without any external intervention. So it means that the people from the Taranagar village, they have said that the water started to come out, the water was gushing out from the underground, and without any external intervention, water itself stopped. So people on social media have claimed that it was related to the mythological Saraswati river, and Saraswati river mention is given in the Rig Veda. So it is mentioned in the ancient text like the Rig Veda, and is believed to have once flowed through the region. So it is believed that it was at one point of time it flowed through the region. So the people on the social media, they also claimed that this water might be coming from the Saraswati river, but the scientists, they have completely missed out on this report, and it has said that this is because of the phenomena of artisan condition and not because of the Saraswati river. So let us talk about first of all about the incident and then about the artisan condition. So the incident is that there is a farmer in Jaisalmer has hired a firm to dig a tube well to tap underground water. So on one morning, after digging up to around 850 feet, the water began sprouting from the ground. So the water began to come out from the ground, and in about an hour it began flowing at high pressure. So first of all it started to come out, and then it started to come out at a very high pressure, and a small amount of non-inflammable gas was also released along with the water, and a large pit was created due to the water pressure, because the water pressure was very high. Now let us talk about the artisan condition, which the scientists believe is the reason behind the water gushing out from the ground. Now what is artisan condition? So artisan condition is the artisan aquifer refers to water stored under pressure. So the water which is first of all stored underground at depth, at great depth. So it is the dig which recently took place in Jaisalmer district was around 850 feet. So it is, the water is present in underground and is stored under pressure. So there is pressure deep inside where the underground water is stored. Then between layers of sediments and soil below the earth's surface. So if look at this picture, if this is the earth's surface, then between the sediments and the soil. So between the sediments and the soil, there is a layer of water which is present in between, and this water is under high pressure. So it is stored between the layers of sediments and soil below the earth's surface, and it is also described as confined water because of hardy materials above and below it. Hardy materials like soil, sand, boulders, stones. Then water can sprout from underground on its own, and it is located deeper below the earth's surface. So it is not that if this is the earth's surface, water will be present here. No, it is present at a deeper places, and it is between the sediments and the soil, and it is surrounded by poorly permeable rocks that result in high pressure underground. Poorly permeable rocks means, permeable rock means that the rocks from where the liquid or the water can pass through it. So when a rupture or like through drilling happens, then underground pressure forces water upward and towards land. Now what happens is, now imagine this is earth's surface and the water is present at a depth and between the layers of soil and the sand. Okay, now what happens is, when the drilling at the surface of the land takes place, then the drilling takes place in upward to downward direction, and if the drilling reaches at a point where the underground water is present, and because the water is present between different layers of the earth's surface, if the drilling reaches that place, then through high pressure the water comes in the upward direction. So from downward the water comes in the upward direction. Now look at this map. Now imagine this is the place where the underground water is present. This is soil and sediments above and below the water, and if the drilling takes place till this place, then suddenly the water will go up in through a high pressure, because underground it does not have much place for the movement. So through the drilling, if the drilling reaches that place and it finds a hole, then the water tends to come in an upward direction. Then artesian, what is the meaning of the term artesian? It means that water is confined under pressure below layers of relatively impermeable rock. Impermeable rock, because if the water is able to come up, then because of the impermeable rock through which the water is able to pass. Then it comes from the town of Artois in France. So this concept of artesian condition comes from the town of Artois in France, the old Roman city of Artesium, where the best known flowing artesian wells were drilled in the Middle Ages. So this concept of artesian condition, or this concept of artesian condition, if it is taking place on regular basis, then this becomes a very beautiful scenario, also a beautiful sight also for the people to watch. Now if we talk about water gushing out in the desert, why? So if we talk about the desert region, then the water is confined underneath a geological layer of sandstone, and that is why if the water is not able to come out, it is under the sandstone layer, so it is not able to come out on its own. And as soon as the top layer is punctured, water starts flowing upward due to heavy pressure, so that the upward surface of the land, it gets eroded. This phenomena has previously been observed also in the area of Rajasthan around Jaisalmer and Barmer, but the intensity with which the water was coming out in this Jaisalmer incident was very high, and this incidents have of artesian condition has also been observed in Australia or Africa. Now let us talk about the Saraswati river relation to it, as it is believed that Saraswati river is mythological and it once flowed from this area of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, and people on social media was claiming that it was because of the Saraswati river that the water is coming up, but the scientists have not agreed to these claims. They have talked about the artisan condition being the main reason for the unique phenomena which has been observed. So the Saraswati river has been talked about in mythological context or historical context, and it has been mentioned in the Rig Veda, and it has been in the Rig Veda, it has been mentioned, and it has been in earlier times when it was believed that it used to flow. It was believed that it passes through Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat area and has played a vital role in the Harappan civilization with numerous settlements along its course. Now, in the end of prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So, the Saraswati river is mentioned in which of the following historical texts? Puranas, Rig Veda, Upanishads or Brahmins? So, tell me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.